Hello friends, my name is Swarduga and today I will tell you how can we transfer site packages from Python IDE to spyder. So for that you have to download the Python ideally from the Google. So for that you have to type on Google download Python for Windows or Linux or Mac OS. That is depending upon on your system. So I already downloaded the uh, spider and Python ideally. So you can also download Anaconda also. So Anaconda, just search on Anaconda in Google and you can get the Anaconda software. So after installing Anaconda, you have to see that this kind of structure. Here is the spider and just click here launch and it will be launching the spider. After launching, you will be see the spider look like that and Anaconda, the ideally is look like that. So I want to transfer side packages or Python libraries from Python ideally to the Python uh, spider. Okay, so that is the most important topic today. So that's why I want to say um, that is the main part of our topic. So first of all you have to open the Python site packages, that is the Python package site package location like ideally location. So just open the ideally location. At first I am going to open the ideally location, that is the ideally location, and paste it here and you can see the Python ideally location is there. uh, and just pick it. This location is varying depend depending upon your system. Okay, that is the most interesting topic. So how can I transfer these site packages into the spider? Okay, that is there is the suppose I install a like here is pip for the ideally and conda for the conda command for the Anaconda, or you can say spider. So here is pip ins install install pip install pip install what like numpy and that's enter. Okay, recurrent already satisfied because I already installed, and like that you have to say pandas pandas and then enter. That's all. Okay, and that is also satisfied. Okay, and here you can see that is the ideally location. Okay, there is the numpy folder library, numpy library is present and pandas also. Okay, now I want to show the spider anaconda location. That is control C. That is, I already say that is depending upon on your system. You have to find the site packages location from your system. So just paste it here. After get the site package location of Anaconda, you have to again also install like Conda install pandas. Sorry, and just wait few seconds. Uh, After downloading, you have to see I already installed the pandas library into the Anaconda. That's why it will be so already installed. And NumPy also. You can say NumPy NAMPY and here I am using Conda, and ideally you can use also PyCharm. That is the wonderful software. So PyCharm also good, and that's also satisfied because That's already installed. Okay, that is the pandas and it's the PyCharm. I want to show the PyCharm also. Just type on PyCharm and you can download from internet. Okay, download PyCharm. Okay, so that is the Conda install pandas and that is the Conda install AMPI. That's all I already installed. So that is the site package location. And there is the ideal location. I just see now clearly. There is the pandas. And there is the pandas file. Two files are present. Pandas. Here is the also pandas file is present. You can see from pandas. Okay, that's the file is present. Okay, here also the file is present. You can just copy file and paste it here. Okay, just wait. I don't want to again paste it again because I already paste it. That is, I want to tell, if you um, cannot able to import or install the library from the CMD using the Conda command or Anaconda command prompt. Anaconda, you can use Anaconda command prompt also. Here Anaconda command prompt also available. Anaconda command prompt is Anaconda. Okay, so that is most important topic that I want to share with you. So you can copy here the libraries and paste it Anaconda. Uh, from here also you can copy the side packages and paste it here also. Okay, so that's all for this video. Please like this video, share this video with your friends. Thank you for seeing this video. Thank you.